CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include leather seats, technology package, rear heated seats, dual sun moonroof, ventilated seats. We are pleased to show you the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.